Here's the question.
In the brackets, 48 divided by 6, close bracket, times 2 divided by 4. So first, we'll solve the brackets. Now, let's move to the solution.
"48 divided by 6 multiplied by 2 divided by 4. Now 6 goes into 48 8 times, so we get 8 times 2 divided by 4. We know this.
According to the rules, multiplication and division have the same priority, so we check from left to right. When checking from left to right, whichever comes first gets priority. So here, multiplication comes first, so we give it priority. The second priority is division, so 8 times 2 becomes 16, divided by 4 now.
16 divided by 4 is 4, right? 4 is the right answer.